you doing? I hope all is well with you. I hope you're fine, you are safe, you are healthy and happy from wherever you are watching me from. My good name is Irene Tiller and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming through. Thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. And if you're watching me for the first time, karibu sana to the channel and please don't forget to subscribe and be part of my journey. Subscribe, like, and share my videos to as many people as you can. Guys, today I'll be sharing with you a very delicious recipe, a very yummy recipe for those who do healthier. I'm so sorry. Today we are going yummy, we are going delicious. I'll be sharing with you a breakfast recipe on how to prepare egg, cheese, and bacon toasted bread sandwich. I hope you like it, and as usual, I hope you'll try it at home. For this recipe, you will need eggs, and I'm going to use just 3 eggs. As you can see them on the bowl, on my bowl. Then you need bacon, and I have back bacon from the Farmer's Choice. Then you will need cheese, and I'm going to use the cheddar cheese, and it's from the KCC company. It's a company that deals with dairy products, and my cheese is friendless. I'll show you how I'll use it on my toast. Then I have the fresh green chilies, but for the fresh green chilies, they're optional. Like for me on this recipe, I'm not going to use it because of our daughter. I don't want to be eating as she stares at me and salivate because she don't do bilibili. I have the green pepper. You'll need the green pepper and I just have one of it. And then I'm going to use the Blue Band margarine to spread onto the bread slices. And then I have salt. I'm just going to use it to season the eggs. I have one small tomato and one red onion. I also have bread, which is the main ingredient on this recipe. And I'm using the festive white bread. And of course, you're going to have the cooking oil for preparing the eggs. These are all the ingredients I need for my recipe. Guys, these are my already cracked eggs. So I'm going to season it. And to season, I'm going to add already chopped onions, tomatoes, and then the green pepper, and of course the salt to taste. Then I'm going to beat the eggs just to mix them. Onto my heated pan, and remember the heat should be as low as possible. Should be at very low heat. Add cooking oil, very little. Just turn around to spread all over the pan. Then prepare the eggs. Meanwhile, as the eggs are cooking, let me prepare the bread toast. For the bread, I'm going to use just 4 slices. I think these are manageable. So I'm going to spread my margarine onto the 4 slices. I'm going to spread on all of them each, on one side each. Just ensure you spread all the 4 corners. Spread enough butter or margarine as I'm doing. Back to my eggs. As you can see, it's already cooked on one side. So what I'm going to do is just to flip over the other side. Yeah. You flip over the other side and let it also cook. And then I'm going to divide the egg into 4 using my spoon. You see, it's well cooked. So this is my egg. And now I'm just going to put it aside and prepare the bacon. Guys, let me tell you or show you what happened to my bacon after frying them. After frying, I let them cool and then I cut them into small pieces, very, very small pieces. I think you can see. They are very, very small pieces. And to my cheddar cheese, because it came as a block, so I had to cut it into very thin slices, but I wanted triangle shape. So this is how I've sliced them. I hope you can see. I didn't want the grated one. It's so common and so obvious. So this is how I've done for my cheese. I think you can see like this. I hope you can see. So I'm ready to move on to my next step, which is now the real toasting, because all my ingredients are ready. The bacon is ready, the cheese is ready, the bread, I've prepared the bread, and then the eggs are also ready. So the next one is just to get straight to the toasting. This is my sandwich maker. Actually, it's a Ramtoms. I love it. I've been using it for so long. It's old, I can say. So naipenda sana. About it, I had preheated it. So it's ready. As you can see, the 2 red lights are on. It means it's ready. It's already heated. So let me continue. For your toast, you put it like this with the buttered side outside, and also this side. Next, I'm putting the eggs. Let me put also on this other side. Next, I putting the bacon, my small sliced bacon. Just spread all over. And next, I'm going to put my cheese. Putting my cheese. And then the other toast, and you place it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm going to close it. And leave it to toast. Okay, one thing before I open. When you see the other light is not on, it's off, it means whatever inside is ready. So let's open and see our sandwich. Wow. You see? You see the cheese is melted. The cheese is melted. The toast is brown. Let me remove gently. The toast is brown. You hope you can see it. It means it's ready. So let me put on my plate. Ooh. And my sandwich is ready. Can you see it? It's brown, it's crispy. The cheese is melted. Hope you can see it. Guys, now the last thing, as usual, I'm going to taste and tell you how it is. Hey, hey, can't wait to. Guys, it's so yummy. It's so delicious. Please don't try not to try it at home. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in my next one. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you've not, please subscribe, like, and make comments also about my videos, and share my videos to as many people as you can. Bye.